Monthly payout. Confused with your first invoice? Watch this video till the end. Let's simplify how the subscription payout is calculated. What you have to pay us is calculated and sent to you in the first week of each month. So, monthly subscription fee is Rs 7,500. You have shared your car for 7 days and earned Rs 2,500. The math is simple. Rs 7,500 minus 2,500 and your net payable is Rs 5,000. Once you receive the invoice, you have to clear the due amount within 5 days. For example, let's say your due date is on the 8th, but you pay us on the 9th. You get charged a late fee of Rs 300 per day. So if you pay us on the 10th, you'd be paying us Rs 600. An ideal thing is to pay on time, always advisable. To make your life easier, we suggest you opt for the Insta Pay option, where we auto-debit your due amount each month. No stress. In case you still have doubts, worry not. Reach us and we will try to simplify this to you. Happy zapping!